Lies everywhere, even in your kiss. So why do you think I don't know when you're lying? Know when you're trying to hide how you feel from me. You hate it when you say you can't resist. So why do you keep your secrets alive? You need to live.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, anyway, my name is Precious. If you're seeing this video for the first time or if you're seeing my face for the first time, I still look very much like Vegeta. It is almost 6 a.m. and right now I woke up at 5. I was supposed to go jog, but listen, I was just like, I'm too tired for this, and I was just too tired for this. I was too lazy and I just laid here and I was watching TikToks. I'm about to go shower right now. I look so much ugly. Like, it's giving very much it's giving very much Super Saiyans and whatever. But anyway, I'm about to go shower right now. And then I personally don't think I'm going to go to class, 7 a.m. class, because I feel like we're just going to go there and read cases and listen to people present. So I'd rather stay back and read on my own. So I'm still trying to make that decision. So let's just go shower and then we'll make that decision later. I'm sorry that you have to see me looking this horrific. I'm sorry if you're traumatized. Listen, girl, this is how I look. And yeah. Okay, guys, listen to this. I was reading Proverbs 8, right? Chapter 17 says, I love those who love me, and whoever looks for me can find me. So basically, my soulmate is going to find me if he's looking, right? I don't know why I thought of that, but I love those who love me. Whoever looks for me can find me. The first thing I thought was, whoever looks for me can find me. So I personally feel like there's okay, whoever you're looking for as well, you can find them, right? But when you look for something and you don't find what you're actually looking for, that means you're still on the, I don't know if that makes, listen, let's say you're looking for a friend, right? A certain type of friend, and then you meet people along the way and you try these friendships, but it doesn't work out as you thought it would. So it's like they don't turn out to be the people you're looking for. That means your journey is not you're still on your journey, basically. I see fade, I see fade. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's the same thing as friends, soulmates, whatever it is, or a job, whatever. If you want to feel like you're at home or you're looking for a home, something like that, I think that's what I'm trying to explain. I'm saying that you haven't found it. If you still don't feel like you're where you want to be, then you haven't found it. You're still on that quest. You're still looking. So stop settling. That's what I'm trying to say, because a lot of people settle with what they think is comfortable in the moment. If you're comfortable with it right now, then you think you haven't found what you're looking for. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you keep looking, you are going to find what you're looking for. So basically, stop settling. That's what I was trying to say. Let me play my song and keep reading chat, okay? So I was reading my old journal, and on this day 2 years ago, 2020, I realized that in October 2020 I was praying for different things every single day. Like for 31 days I was praying for 31 things. So on this day 2 years ago I was praying for God's love and grace, and the verse for the day was Psalm 34 verse 2, and it reads, I will praise him for what he has done. May all who are oppressed listen and be glad. I don't know what was going on in my head, but I know for sure the Bible, the verse for the day and what I was praying for were not in sync. But now I'm realizing that they actually were in sync. I will praise him for what he has done. May all who are oppressed listen and be glad. God's love and grace. Maybe I'm the only one who sees it, but okay. Anyway, this is just a little Bible moment. Let me stop annoying you guys with my Bible moments. Let me just go read and see what was going on today and last year, and then I'll do my schoolwork, guys. It is 7:37. I need to start doing schoolwork right now, and then I was just journaling. I need to start doing my schoolwork, okay? Because I missed class for this, so I must. Oh yeah, if there's one thing I thought I was doing last year was read my Bible. 25. That was 24. It's probably in here. It's in here. Let's see. This was 2020. Yeah, I'm looking for 2021. Guess okay, so it's November. Still 2020. I'm looking for 2021. 2021. 2020. I wasn't really journaling much in 2021. I don't know what was going on, child. But anyway, this is December, girl. Oh, this is the 10th month, right? This was the 18th. By the way, on the 18th of this month in 2021, I wrote 05 May 2022, and something did happen in 05 May. Let me show you guys. I'm not making this up. You see, I wrote 5 May 2022, and this was 18/10/21, and something did happen on the 5th of May. I'm just not ready to talk about it. Listen, I could show you guys what I wrote, but I don't want you guys to read my things. But here's what I wrote, right? This was on the 10th of May this year. I wrote, our little situation ended on the 5th of May. I don't know what happened, but I just know all will be well. I'm not making things up. This was 2021 when I wrote the date, and this year on the 5th of May I wrote this, which is, it's mind-blowing. But anyway, why am I doing this? Bye. Okay, so I read my Bible. I read my Bible. I'm about to do my work a little bit, and then we're going to decide whether we're going to class or not. I'm really tired. I just want to do schoolwork right now, and I want to do it for I think until most probably 1 and then or 12, and then we're going to have to go get our water bottles filled. You guys can see them up here. They need to be filled. I don't have water, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. So by the way, how's my hair? It's giving very much failed whatever, but anyway, masibaleni ke masenzeni umsebenzi wesikolo and packing because we are leaving this room. Tsala, this room is giving me depression. It's giving me, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be mechanic. I want to be a baller. Anyway, so I'm leaving this room. This was such a weird view, hey? Like, I'm so dark, I'm so ugly. My hair looks like a potato. Potato head, potato. Potato head, potato. Potato head, potato, potato head. Where's my head? Potato head, potato, potato head, potato, potato head, potato, potato head, potato. I don't need a toothbrush because I got a toothbrush where I'm going. Pencil another day. Pads I toothbrush is there, underwear is there, clothes to wear tomorrow there. I just need to change these shoes and then I'll be good. Oh my god, I have to sweep the room because like I'm to clean our rooms tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, I will see you guys when I see you guys. I'm going to be with my friend and we're going home. Tsala. If I see you, then I saw you. By the way, yesterday, you know what, this side is just not okay. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. You see, now we're talking. Now you're talking to me. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, my head is so small. I made these cute lines. What am I saying to myself? This is wasting my time. I need to actually sweep this room. Bye, guys. Hey guys, so I'm personally here to close this vlog. This is the 11th of October. I look a mess. I'm in the bathroom. This is weird, but anyway, I'm here to close this vlog because I am home. I think I told you guys that I'm coming here. I am home. This is my home. I call it my home, but anyway, it's my friend's house. But yeah, this is me saying bye to this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. I already have content for tomorrow's video, and then we're currently working on the other day's video. So this week has, like, honestly, I feel like this week has been, I've mentally checked out of this week since yesterday's class, like the first class of the week. Emotionally, I checked out. If my phone calls, I'm gonna cry because why the hell did you fall? But the first class of the first week, I emotionally checked out. My hair, I look like, yo, what's going on with this hair? Anyway, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. This was a very like hectic. I was trying to have a 5 a.m. morning routine, but I failed because I was too lazy to do anything. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. So yeah, yesterday I was just too tired. I think I said this. Why am I repeating what I said? I emotionally checked out of this week. I'm tired. I don't think I'm going to be going to class this week. I'm very tired. Like I'm done with school, child. Okay, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Hopefully be a little better. I look like a homeless person. No, but okay, I look cute. So take screenshots. This has to be my thumbnail.